want Obiago. I want him. How many times will I want him?
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you hurting my body, my mind, and my soul? Akugo, I love you so much, and I want to marry you. Akugo, I will give you anything you want. Akugo, be mine, and this whole kingdom will be under our command. Please, be my wife and rule beside me as my queen.
I'm so sorry, my prince, but I can never be your wife. I do not love you. The one I love is Obiago. That's the man my heart yearns for. And in him I find happiness and peace. I've told you this times without number. How hard is it for you to understand?
Akugo, stop. I said stop!
My prince, the truth remains that there's nothing you say or do that can ever make me leave the true love of my life, which is Obiago. He's the love of my life. I can never ever marry you. I plead to take my leave.
Aku, my love.
My love, Obiago.
You know, Chima, the goddess of beauty, has blessed you by making you the most beautiful maiden of all 7 villages of Oriago. You are the most beautiful creation of Chiuku, the all-knowing deity.
Hey.
Akugo,
my love,
I can't wait to make you my wife.
Obiago, you flatter me with your words.
No, but I'm telling you the truth. You're very beautiful.
Dalo, Usko, it is okay.
I have something for you. A gift.
I knew it.
No.
What is
no.
that? Tell me.
It's a gift, guess.
I cannot, my love. Tell me already.
I know you can guess anyway.
Chimo!
This is the only bushmeat I got today.
Hey!
Yes, and to show you how much I love you, you can have it.
Hey, my love, thank you so much. I love it.
Anything for you,
hey.
I'm happy you love it.
Oh, for me? Oh, Obiago.
You know, to show you how much I love you, you can have it.
This is big.
I know if I had more, I would have given it all to you.
Oh, Baba, this is very enough for me and I love it. Thank you so much. Don't worry. Soon, I'll become your wife. And I'll make you the envy of all men. Oh?
Come here.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, my prince.
Akugo, hand that thing back to him.
Eh? My prince?
Yes. Hand it back to him.
My prince.
Akugo, my words are law. I said give it back to him. Give it back.
I'm sorry, my prince. Can you take it back? I'm so sorry. Oh.
And you, Obiago, leave our presence right now.
Hey!
I said leave our presence now, God!
No, please.
Move on, move
you! Jen, please. Please. My love, you have to go now. Pico, oh, calm down. I'll come see you later. Please. Thank you. Thank you for the gift, oh. But my prince, that was too...
Cool, calm down. Calm down, okay? Here. These are 2 bags of calories. Take it and buy whatever you want, okay? I don't want you collecting anything from anyone. Not even that useless hunter. Akugo, soon you will become my wife. And after my coronation, my queen. It's okay. Everything will be fine. Why don't you walk me down to the stream?
Okay, my prince.
Let's go.
What?
No. Let's go.
I will tell him why I'm called Obiagu, the lion of the forest. So the prince thinks he can take whatever is mine, do whatever he likes, and get away with it. Never! I say never! Obiagu, what is it? Talk to me. What is it? What is disturbing your mind? Huh? Papa, I was on my way back from the forest when I saw Akugo, the daughter of Onowu. I decided to profess my love for Akugo. Then the priest walked in and asked me, Obiagu, to leave their presence. Me, Obiagu, Papa. Okay, I decided to stand my ground. Then the priest set his guards on me. Okay, then I moved out. But Papa, if I had known, I would have cut down the priest and his guards. Oh. Of course, you know I can do it, Papa. Thanks to the gods that you did not attack the prince. You know, he is the prince. You know that the king is dead. And in next 2 full moon, the prince will become the king. Even your own king. It's not a battle you think you can win. If you insist on taking our Akugo, let's have... Papa, never! Papa, never! I must marry Akugo, and no man born of a woman will marry her. No man! And Papa, if the prince tries me again, I will tell him the reason why I am called Obiago, the lion of the forest. Never, Papa. Hey.
But what is it?
Is it not your brother? Obiago.
What about
Obiago, your brother? They are fighting over Akugo with the prince. The prince wants to take Akugo away from him. That's why he's boiling. After all, is Akugo the only maiden in this community? And he wants to stake his life because of Akugo.
Papa, this war, it will not end well.
See it. That's the way I see it. That's why I see it. Huh? But he's not listening.
Ogini, what troubles you? It's the prince. The prince? What happened to the prince? Is he okay? I do not care if he's okay, Kamdili. Can you imagine that earlier today I was with the love of my life, Obiago, having a good time with him. Next thing, the prince walked in on us and asked Obiago to leave. And all because he's the prince, Obiago had to leave in anger. Eh? Then he now handed me these stupid bags of cowries. Akugo, you mean the prince gave you 2 bags of cowries and you're still sad? Why won't I be sad We all know that the prince is forcing himself on me and I do not want him. My heart beats for Obiago. I do not want him. Let him just leave me alone. Does he want to buy me over with these 2 bags of cowries?
Akugo.
Ogini. What?
2 bags of cowries.
So? Is he... Father, good day.
Good day, Papa.
Well done, my offsprings. Kamdele, give me water to drink.
Okay, Papa.
Akugo.
No.
I'm hungry. Get me food to eat.
I will never marry the prince because I do not love him. My heart beats for the one I love, which is Obiago.
Akugo. You know the custom and the tradition of this village. The prince must marry from a noble family. And your family happens to be noble. The only family that is noble in this village. If I may ask, why don't you like the prince?
All because I do not love him. The only one I love is Obiago. I mean, I want to spend the rest of my life with him. How hard is it for you both to understand?
Akugo, very soon the prince will become the king of this village. And you shall become the queen. Why don't you want to get married to him?
Wiko, say, stop it. I do not like it. I've told you people countlessly that I do not love the prince. My heart beats for my one and true love, which is Obiago. What is it? Come to think of it, have you ever thought about how Obiago looks? I mean, from head to toe. Have you? The way he talks to me, the way he looks at me. I mean, his hunting skills. Truly, Obiago is sent by the gods. And soon he will be my husband and I his wife.
Akugo, you are so blinded by love. All these qualities that you mentioned, our prince have everything.
Akugo, Neka, maybe she has tasted the food meant for married people. That's why she don't want to leave it.
The gods strike you for saying that. How dare you? Why will you say such? Listen, and listen carefully. I still remain untouched. And I'll still remain untouched until the night of my marriage. Okay? Besides, Obiago is a noble man. And he will never want to defile me. Or seem food meant for married people.
It's okay. Let's go and fetch water from the stream. It's getting late.
Ginonye, please, I cannot follow you to the stream if Adama is coming. I'm going to see you at moonlight. I cannot go with her.
Akugo!
Don't call me Adama.
Akugo!
Don't call me.
See, Akugo is a very stupid girl. Who will choose Obiago over the prince? She's stupid.
Don't worry, she's angry with you.
Angry with you. Let's go and fetch water.
Talk to her.
I'm telling her the truth. How can she choose Obiago over the prince? She's stupid.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. Good day, Chiokonko.
Greetings, Prince Ikenna, the heir apparent to the throne of Uruago. What brings you to my humble home?
I came looking for Akugo.
Oh. Where's your sister?
Papa, she went out since morning. She didn't tell me where she was going to.
Alright, when she comes back, please tell her to meet me under the Odara tree.
Okay, my prince.
My prince. In Apuziabo, you cannot come to my house and leave without sitting down and sharing kola nut with me. Come and sit down. Let me offer you. No, go and get kola nut.
It's fine, no. You know, very soon we will become in-laws. And we would have a lot of time to sit at the palace or here at your hut and enjoy cola and palm wine.
Oh, that is true. May Ajani and the gods of our land bless you.
You say, I have to go now. Please, remind Akugo to meet me under the Odala tree.
Do not worry. I will tell her myself.
Let's go.
Where did your sister go to?
Papa, I don't know. I think she might have gone to see her friend Obiago.
My love, Obiago. I promise you today that no man born of a woman will ever take me away from you.
My strength. And I will always protect you from anyone who tries to take you away from me.
I love you so much, Obiago.
Love you too. Don't worry, soon I will come with my king's men and then
Great
your hand in marriage.
And I'll be the happiest maiden on earth when that day comes. Because I can't wait to spend the rest of my life in your arms.
I can't wait too.
Thank you. So how long do we have to stay like this?
As long as the gods want us to.
I'm sure it's forever.
Yeah, forever and ever.
And ever.
Exactly.
Don't worry. One day, your father is going to bond you to an old man house. And you must get married to him.
No, no, come on. Would I marry my husband? Stay there. No, let her remain there. I don't like this thing people are doing. I'm going to accept OBDK. You say no. PDK is not my kind of man.
In this village,
you
are looking for your kind of man.
Oh,
you're not serious.
What about you? You that is talking the came
Oh, you're still waiting for kind of man. Okay.
Yes, and by the grace of the gods, I will see my kind of man.
When you grow white hairs.
You say, leave it, let me grow white hairs. Kambili, what about your sister Akugo? I heard that she'll be getting married to the prince after the new full moon.
Yeah. Which Akugo?
Her sister now.
The one I saw in the arms of Obiago when I was coming. Or which other Akugo are you talking about?
Hey! My dear, my sister Akugo has refused to get married to the prince.
Hi.
She's so in love with that hunter called Obiago. My father and I has talked to her countless times, but she still insists that she's never going to get married to the prince. You're tired of talking. But wait, Kambili. Who on earth will leave the prince and go for a hunter? Ijomo, are you sure your sister is not under a spell?
Why are you talking as though you've never been in love? What other spell is more active than love? Well, I'm glad to announce to you that the position I saw the both of them, no man born of a woman can separate them.
Hey! Nemo, me and my father, we are tired. She's so in love with Obiago. She does not even want to hear the name of the prince with her ears. Please, let's just stop talking about Ahugo and the prince. Fetch water, let's go, Biko.
Yeah. But what kind of love is that one?
Hey. Yeah. Is it okay? I'm good. Let's go. Leaving the prince and going to a hunter. Exactly. Exactly. How do you? Ike Egwuru. Everything is going to be fine. Exactly.
I've won Obiago. I won him. How many times will I won him?
Papa, please. Beg Obi. Beg him because I don't want anything to happen to him.
Why? Shimo.
Papa, see. Very soon, the prince will become the king. And we have the authority to banish us from this village.
It's true.
Please, I don't want that to happen, no.
It's true. But Amadioha will protect us. Amadioha will protect us. Hi. Akugo.
Nam.
I am your father and I cannot deceive you. If I am to suggest to you, I would prefer that you marry Prince Iken and leave Obiago.
I cannot. Over my dead body will I ever let a man born of a woman to take me away from the love of my life, which is Obiago. Mba. Father, I'm sorry, no.
Those are strong words. Akugo, according to our tradition, Prince Ikenna must marry from a noble family. And our family is the only noble family in the 7 villages of Uruago. Do you want the prince to go to another kingdom and bring a queen for us? Omandaman, marry Prince Ikenna and become the next queen of Uruago kingdom.
Father, I can understand where you're coming from. But I also remember the story you told my sister Kamdili and I vividly. You said that nobody could interfere or choose a wife for you, not even your father. Your father never wanted you to marry mother, but you followed your heart. So right now, Father, I'm asking and pleading that you should let me follow the love of my heart, which is Obiago and not the prince.
Well, I think you should give this a second thought.
There's no second thought, Father. Instead of me to marry the prince, I'll rather kill myself and join our ancestors.
Hey! Dufiakwa! How dare you utter such abominable words? Clear your mouth. Fichanogo, also.
I'm sorry, Father. I'm sorry, but there is no other second thought. The love of my life is Obiago and not the prince. Please let me. Biko.
Papa, thank the gods that I did not find him in this compound. If not, he would have been a dead man by now.
My son, do not speak evil of the prince, our future king. Because when he becomes the king, the entire village will be his own. And anybody that speaks evil against him, Ajana, the Mother Earth, will be angry with him.
Papa, ever since I was born, I have never taken anything that belongs to another man. No man will take anything that belongs to me, Papa.
No man. Besides, Akugo said she's not interested in the prince. So why is the prince forcing himself on my woman, Papa?
And do not allow your feelings to drive you to your early grave.
Papa, I swear by my machete. I swear, Prince Ikena will never have Akugo. And if I find Prince Ikena anywhere around this compound, I swear by this machete. I swear by Ajani and the spirit of the waters. Heads will roll.
My son, I advise you to tread with caution. I don't want anything evil to happen to
Papa,
you.
all I am trying to say is that Prince Ikena will never have Akugo. She is mine, and mine she shall be forever. And Papa, over my dead body will the prince have Akugo. Over my dead body, Papa.
Love has done much harm than good. Eh? Oh.
Greetings, my prince. You sent for me.
Please sit. Akugo awawa. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Enenebe jụrụ. Ọ pụrụ iche nwanyị. Ugegbe oyibo. Akugo, why? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you hurting my body, my mind, and my soul? Akugo, I love you so much, and I want to marry you. Akugo, I will give you anything you want. Akugo, be mine, and this whole kingdom will be under our command. Please, be my wife and rule beside me as my queen.
I'm so sorry, my prince, but I can never be your wife. I do not love you. The one I love is Obiago. That's the man my heart yearns for. And in him I find happiness and peace. I've told you this times without number. How hard is it for you to understand?
Akugo, stop. I said stop!
My prince, the truth remains that there's nothing you say or do that can ever make me leave the true love of my life, which is Obiago. He's the love of my life. I can never ever marry you. I plead to take my leave.
Let her go.
Thank you, my prince.
Hey. No. Hey. Where's your sister? Oh, here she comes.
Greetings, father.
My dear. You're coming from your meeting with the prince?
Yes, father, I've met him. And I've told him that I will never be his wife.
Chimo, Akugo.
Father. Yes, father, everybody knows. It's not a new thing. Everyone knows that my body and soul belongs to Obiago and not the prince. And him I shall call my husband. Oh, Bria. But Akugo. Silence, Kandi. When elders are talking, do not try to interrupt. Inugo.
Chilugodo. Akugo, Chilo. Hold on. Are you telling me that you met with Prince Ikenna And you told him to his face that you will not marry him.
Wow, exactly.
You told Ikenna that you will not marry him.
Yes, Father, I told him. And I'm ready to tell him even when he becomes king. I'll tell him to his face that I can never marry him, that Obiago is the love of my life. I do not care if he ends up banishing my future husband, Obiago, and I will go in good faith. But I do not love him. I will never marry him. Obiago is my husband. Everyone knows.
Oh, Chimo, Ije love.
Kamdili. If I hear pin again, I'll descend on you. You know me.
Silence, both of you. Silence.
Sorry, Father.
Come. Go inside.
Okay, Papa.
Okay. You'll be putting your mouth in what doesn't concern you.
Let's go. Akugo.
Ma'am.
Hi. I have tried to talk to you as a father would talk to his daughter. To get you to abandon your thoughts of marrying Obiago. But you are adamant about it. So, you wish to marry Obiago?
Yes, Father.
You're your chick on Emilia. Well, since that is what you've decided, may Ajan and the gods of Alam bless your decision and protect you.
Nandalo, thank you.
I will talk to Prince Ikenna.
All right, Father. Thank you. Namdalu. Oh.
My mother was very angry with my father yesterday because he refused to eat the food. He said that my mother added too much salt in the soup. Oh. So what happened? He said that my mother added too much salt in the soup. So what happened? My sister, I have to beg my father to eat.
Hey.
I even promised him that I will cook another soup today.
You are very lucky that your father loves you. Else, hey, I know men, he will never eat that food.
Same way you love Obiago.
And he loves me too.
Akugo, tell us, what about the prince?
Yes. Anemo, I was bold enough to walk straight to him yesterday and I told him to his face that I will not be his wife.
Chimo?
And what did he say? What will he say? He could not say anything. And can you imagine? The moment I wanted to leave, his guards tried to stop me. Hey, but he stopped them. He told them to let me leave.
Hey. He is such a humble and peaceful man. The prince will make a good king.
It's your Akugo.
Don't you think you're missing your luck by rejecting the prince?
Nembiko, my only luck is Obiago, who is my one true love, my peace and my happiness. He's my peace. He's the only one I want to spend the rest of my life in his arms.
Oh, Akugo, you sound so confident.
I am.
And I pray your chi will make your dreams come true.
Ise.
My friend, think well. Think well.
There's nothing to think about, my friend.
Okay. Please, let's go. I want to make new soup as I promised my father yesterday.
Candidly, now that your sister Akugo rejected the prince, and the prince have to get married from a noble family, don't you think you are next in line?
See, Ikemma, that can never happen. I am no match for the almighty prince. And besides, my elder sister has to get married before I do.
But Kamdili, why not take your chance just as Ikemma just said? Akugo, your sister, rejected the prince, and he must marry before the next full moon, before he can be crowned king of the 7 villages that make up Uragu kingdom. So why not give it a try and see if he will marry you?
See, Mirima, in Igbo tradition, a man goes after a woman and not the other way around. And besides, the prince has never talked to me since I was a child. See, I just pray that she is going to give him a good woman that is going to be his wife.
You say... And now he has to travel to another village to pick a wife. By full moon, he would have traveled. And if he does not pick a wife, they will not coronate him.
And I pray the gods help him.
You say... that's by the way. Mirima, have you accepted Obidike's proposal?
Can't believe it. Why are you laughing? I'm too young to marry.
So you are too young to marry? But you were just advising me to get married to the prince.
Kamdili, your own is different. We are talking about the prince.
But Kamdili, don't you think you should give it a try? You will never know. The prince is a very handsome man.
Bam.
See, any maiden in your shoes will want to accept the prince.
Bam.
I don't know why your sister rejected him in the first place. Any maiden that gets your chance to get married to the prince, I know that they will not take chances. What do your sister even say?
Please. Ekema and Miriam, can we just stop the prince? There is no way I'm getting married to the prince, so let's just end this talk, please.
Go on. Let's go to the street.
Exactly.
Let's go to the street.
My prince, if not that tradition forbids one from coming to the palace till after the coronation, I would not be here invading your private space. Please forgive my intrusion.
It's fine, no. I understand. How is your family?
We are fine, thank you. My prince, I am here to beg that you do not hold it against my daughter, Akugo, or my family for her rejection of your marriage proposal.
Oh no, you need not to worry. I accepted the rejection in good faith. I strive every day to be a king that is worthy of emulation. And I promised my late father on his deathbed that I would never do anything to harm my subjects.
May the gods of our land and the spirits of your ancestors bless and reward your good hearts.
He say...
So, my prince, tradition demands that you marry a wife of noble blood. So, what are your plans?
Oh no, you know it has always been my desire to marry Akugo, your daughter. But she chose Obiago. Now I am left with no other option than to look elsewhere. As the kingmaker, you know that once the full moon is with us, you should crown me the next king. And the full moon is already here. And I must present my elders with a wife.
My prince, instead of going to another kingdom to search for a wife of noble blood, may I suggest that you consider my second daughter, Kamdele. She is still my daughter and of noble blood. She is ripe for marriage and will make a very good wife.
Kamdele?
Who is at home? Kamdele.
Nine.
Oh, you are at home. Come.
Papa. Papa, when did you get back?
Just now.
Should I serve your food?
Oh, no. I'm not yet hungry. It seems you've not fed the goats today.
Papa, I'll do that soon.
Okay. The prince wants to see you.
Papa, the prince wants to see me.
Yes.
Hey. This one that the prince wants to see me. I hope I have not committed any crime against the future king of our land.
Not at all. He wants to see you because he wants to talk to you. So I recommend you go in and wear something appealing and go and see him. You know, go?
Okay, Papa.
Go now. Or is there any other thing?
No, Papa. Let me go and change.
Ife bunkonya.
So, my love, I'm ready to listen to the tortoise story.
Did I say I was going to tell you any story about tortoise?
Yes! The past Eke Market day, you told me and you promised.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, if I must tell you the story of a tortoise, not like this, you have to come this way. Come,
okay.
Come. Well, this is a story about a hunter who fell in love with the most beautiful maiden in Oracle.
Chegodi, wait. You said it's a tortoise story.
Yes, but it relates to both of us now.
It does not relate. I'm listening. The tortoise story.
Okay, the story of the tortoise. I can't do this. I can't.
Not do what?
No, see, I get carried away when,
What are you talking about? So that means you lied to me.
No, it wasn't a lie. I was just trying to see.
Lied to me.
Whenever I see you, I get carried away. Your beauty.
That means you do not love me enough.
Let me tell you a story about a hunter who fell in love with a beautiful maiden, and he is going to stop at nothing.
Obiago, stop. So that means you cannot tell me a tortoise story. But you promised it, so that means you lied to me.
I just got
you
carried
do
away.
not,
Okay. Just let's forget about the story of the tortoise.
And talk about what?
You?
No. Never.
Let's talk about how beautiful you are, how gorgeous,
So you cannot win my heart by telling me a simple tortoise story.
Okay, let's do this another time. Tell you some other time.
No.
But for now, let's just talk about us now.
Just this once. Just this once.
Well, I had fun with you. It was a wonderful time. You know, and I want to have this time again and again. See, each time I spend time with you, it feels like, you know, the world is just on standstill. Yeah.
Thank you, man. And same here, my love. But do not worry. Soon we'll be husband and wife.
I can't wait.
We do not need to part.
I don't even want to go.
But you should go. You've walked me a long way. Oh?
You know, I just can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
And I can't wait as well.
You make my life very meaningful.
I'm happy I do. I called you. Oh?
I want to walk you home.
Hey, Obimu, Mbano. You walked a long way. You should get going.
I insist. I want to walk you home. I want to protect you.
But I know I am protected already.
No, you are not.
Safe.
Let me walk you home. You're not protected.
You have stressed a lot.
I don't mind. So, I guess we were talking about
I guess you should be going home now.
No.
But I'm fine here.
I'm okay. Walking you home.
Greetings. Kamdili, offspring of Ichio Konko. Please, have a seat.
Thank you.
You look so beautiful in your new dress.
Thank you so much, my prince.
Who bought it for you?
My father did. He bought it for me last Uncle Market Day.
Tell me, what are your likes and dislikes?
My prince,
do not be shy. You know what? Why don't you take a walk with me around the village? Let's go.
Papa, I'm up to the stream. The water in the pot is already finished.
Oh, it's one. You can go. Eh? May the spirit of the waters guide and protect you. Eh?
He said...
Yeah, go well.
Papa, you're here.
Mekania.
Your brave son is off to the forest.
Oh.
For hunting.
May Ajane guide and protect you as you hunt.
He say, don't worry. On my way back, I would make sure I get fresh bushmeat for you.
Who can there?
You know what I
have
can do.
well tender. You can go. Your bag will be full of bushmeat. Have well tender. Hey.
My good friend. Thanks to the gods I saw you. I was actually on my way to your hut.
As you can see, I'm ready. This time around, we're going deep into the forest to get some firewood.
I support you. We need to get enough firewood. That can be enough for like 2 or 3 market days.
Yes, you are right.
Akunne, Ifeoma.
Dalo. You are right. This time around, we are following that footpath near the stream.
Let's go.
Okay.
happened? What happened now? Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up.
Who is this?
It is not Obiago.
He's the one. Why is he sleeping here? Maybe lying on the floor. Obiago. What's it? Obiago. Check him.
Hey! He's dead though.
Hey!
Papa, I feel when I broke the pot.
You broke the pot?
Yes, so Papa.
Something is wrong somewhere.
Papa,
Something is wrong somewhere.
nothing is wrong anywhere. Nothing.
Anyway, don't worry. Go and take another pot.
Okay.
Papa, the prince is a very good and humble man. He took me around the village and he asked me to be his friend.
And what was your response?
I accepted.
My daughter, you are of noble blood. And if the prince finds you worthy to be his wife, well, or what else, you should accept. So whenever he asks to see you, go and see him.
Hey! Ewo! My only son, oh! Yeah. Hey!
Obiago, my one true love, please come back to me, Bikono. God of our land, please bring him back. This is not true. Somebody should wake me up from this bad dream. Bikono, wake me up. This is not true. Nekadama, is this true? Hey!
Kogo, it's okay. It's gone. You've been crying since yesterday.
My love. Obiago, why? Why will he have to leave me in this wicked world? Who did this to me?
Stop crying, it's okay. If you continue to cry like this, you'll fall sick.
Is it not better for me to fall sick? I need my husband. I need Obiago. We used to stay here and play. We used to discuss here. We made promises to each other. What happened to those promises? God of our land, please bring him back.
It's okay. Stop crying. If you cry from now to tomorrow, he's not coming back.
Who is going to take care of me? Who is going to protect me from my enemies? No, answer me. Who? Onye? Hey, Chibo!
It's okay.
Hey, Obiago, Bikono, come back, Bikono.
It's okay.
Obiago!
It's okay.
Please call Obiago for me.
Obiago is gone.
Bikono, call Obiago for me, please. No, Abumaka, leave me alone, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
We can't leave you. We are your friends.
If you're my friend, bring Obiago, leave me.
It's okay.
Hi. Whoever has killed my son, it shall never be well with him. It shall never be well with him. And I must find out. I must find out. Obiago, my son, my only son. I must find out who killed you. I must find his murderer. I must find his... Uju! Uju!
Papa!
Yeah. Come. You have to go to Mudim. Yeah? Call Okemiri for me. Tell him to come. I want to see him. And he should come with his Ugiri to consult the gods. You hear?
Okay, Papa.
Hey! You got time, Igulisi. You got time, Igulisi. Peron.
Obi,
Yes,
have you heard about the news of Obiago's death?
I heard it, Dike. But what killed him?
Everyone is suspecting the prince, but who knows?
Don't say such, oh. The prince of Orago village is very humble and cannot hurt a fly.
Dike and Obi, gossiping like women.
Go to the stream. If I busher you now.
Let's go before someone else see us here.
Obiago dead is something else, so...
Okay, Millie, I want to know what killed my son. I want you to consult the gods to tell me what or who killed my son.
By then, Dike,
Manambrede, Keja Madike. Call your son's name.
The name of my son is Obiago Agumba.
On a give up. As now from where Obiago Agumba. On a Jacomari for Brunwe. Ajana. Modi Ben there. Ajan Uruago. Ajan Umudim. Abakomon. Got up where me fezorezo. When I see a Sajana Jide. Banum Mama. Neke. Banum Nori. Banum Nafo. Banum Nanko. I couldn't use you. Is she okay?
Okay, Mudu.
Your son, Obiago, entered the evil forest on a Kemarket day. I am to go. About Najofia, Oboseke. If I na Jobo, Keruni Feburu, Agomba. One I Febula Agomba. Hey! Is she okay? Your son, Obiago, entered the evil forest on a Kemarket day. And he went towards Ukuku, the part of the evil forest where dead bodies are thrown into. He was not supposed to go to that part of the evil forest. Ayanugo, Oje Rusai Okuku, Kerife Budie, Banai. Ah! Is she okay? Your son, Agumba, was killed by angry immortals.
Hi. Ewo. Hi.
Omataruburu.
So, he was not killed by a man.
Obiago was killed by immortals.
Hi. Ewo. Hey.
Kamdili, I am so happy for you. Hey!
You are now the prince's favorite. I wish he would get married to you. Oh, Kamdili, how about your sister?
She's been mourning her friend Obiago, the one that died last Kemarket day.
The whole village was suspecting that the prince was the one behind his death, until Chiokeke consulted the gods and was told that Obiago was killed inside the forest by demons.
Chai, such a hard-working young man. But thanks the gods, the prince was vindicated.
Well, I know my prince will never and cannot be a murderer.
Ogene, did I just hear you say my prince?
Well, the prince is a very good and humble young man. Don't worry, very soon he's going to become the king, and both of you will see the kind of rules and laws that he will make. Do you know he told me that he's going to be inviting the white men to this village?
White men, kwa?
Yes. White men. He said he'll be bringing the white men to our village to trade with them, so that our village will develop more.
You must get married to the prince, oh.
Ma'am.
I don't want to hear story. Get married to the prince so that I'll be the queen's friend.
He said he's going to speak to my father. So, my ears await the good news.
Hi, Kamdili. I would be so happy seeing you beside him. Ha! Who would imagine that my friend will soon become the next queen of Urago Kingdom? Hey! Please, Biko, let me bring yam and oil for you people so that... My friend! Please add the macao to the oil.
Akuku. So Kambili, your younger sister, is now a new friend to the prince.
The other day, we saw her and the prince smiling while walking around the village.
Hey, I regret ever rejecting the prince. Now the love of my life, Obiago, is dead. The prince is in love with my younger sister. Hey, what do I do? I am so confused.
I think you should talk to your father about it. I mean, your younger sister will not get married to a man that once asked your hand in marriage.
Yes, Akogo. You have to tell your father that you want him back. In fact, go to the prince. Ask him for forgiveness. I believe he will forgive you.
Then how?
It will be a theme of shame seeing your younger sister getting married to the prince. The whole village, they will laugh at you.
You both are right. Yes. I have to go and see my father. And at the same time see the prince. Yes. The prince once loved me. Yes. And I believe that he will accept me back. Kopria?
Yes. Yes. I believe he will accept you back. Well, meanwhile, I made abacha. So, let's go to my hut and eat.
All my friends, thank you.
My prince, wherever your late father is right now, he will be very proud of you. I heard how you judged the case between Agomba and the widow. You gave the perfect judgment.
Thank you so much, Ichio Okonkwo. I praise my chief for blessing me with wisdom. And every day, I also ask for more blessings from Ajani and the spirit of the waters.
They will grant it to you.
Ichio Okonkwo. You know, for some time now, I have been speaking with your daughter Kamdili. And I must say, she's a good woman and indeed ripe for marriage. So I want to inform you that on the last Eke market day before the full moon, I'll be coming with my people to ask for her hand in marriage.
Oh, this is beautiful news. Very good news. May the gods of our land be praised.
You see, I would ask my God to bring 3 bags of cowries. Please. Give 1 bag to Kamdili and you can keep the rest for the marriage preparation.
You know what? Oh, thank you so much, my prince. I'm very grateful. I will inform my kinsmen of your plans and their coming. Oh, thank you so much. May the gods bless you.
I'll go.
I want to believe it. May the gods of our land be praised. Oh, this is a blessed day for our people. The prince has asked for your hand in marriage.
Timo, Papa, are you serious?
I cannot joke with something like this. Huh? Yes. I'm just coming from our place of meeting. You know, traditionally, no one can set foot into the palace till after the coronation.
Yes, Papa.
So we met under the Odara tree, where he now asked me officially that he wants to marry you.
Hey.
And he gave me this, that I should give 1 sack of carrots for you, and the remaining 2 are for the family to prepare for your traditional marriage.
Hey, Papa. Papa, thank you very much. I am so happy. Prince is such a good man. Thank you so much, Papa.
Yes. Greetings, Father.
Akugo. Okay, what is it?
Father, I need to have a private conversation with you without Kamdili.
Papa?
Go inside. When I'm done talking to your sister, I'll call you so that we finish our discussion. Oh? Keep this inside for me. Okay,
Odeseko, Nam, I came to tell you that I'm ready to get married to the prince because I still love him.
It's a lie. That is never going to happen, Akugo. Not on my watch. The prince is mine and mine alone. I can never let you have him.
Kamdili, Jegoli, are you talking to me like that?
The words are for your ears alone.
Hey!
Enough. Silence, both of you. Uzgun.
Chimo.
I said it's enough. Yakam, before I close and open my eyes, get into the house.
But, Papa?
Hey, Kaku. Get into the house.
The prince get into the house.
Akugo.
Nam.
I don't even know where to start. Madana Bopocha Latalo. You cannot spit out and lick it back. You were the one who said that you did not want to marry the prince, that over your dead body. You told him to his face that you would not marry him. And now the prince has proposed to your sister. He wants to marry her. Kevinako, I don't understand you.
Father, I cannot be single and unmarried in the house. Why my younger sister gets married before me? Oh, my.
Now, whose fault is it? Whose fault? I remember I sat here and asked you, and you said that it was your wish. There is nothing I can do about it.
Father, never. The prince is mine, and I'll have him. I still love him. She cannot get married to the prince. The prince is mine. Excuse me, Father.
Hey. What you learn no boss and no boy lute here. Who?
So my younger sister now talks back at me. Hey! I can never be alive and see her get married to the prince. I wish I listened to my father and accepted the prince when he was begging me. I was blinded by love. Now Obiago is no more. If my sister eventually marries the prince, the villagers will laugh at me. And I do not think any man will ever ask for my hand in marriage. What will I do now? What will I do to stop the marriage? Hey, I think I have to meet my friends. Yes. Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, daughter of Ichiokunko.
Please, excuse me, my prince. Can I have a word with you?
Go ahead. I'm all ears.
I want to apologize for whatever that happened in the past. I am sorry. But right now I'm ready. I'm ready to marry you. You can make me your wife. And in return, I promise that I will give you my body, my soul, and also make you the happiest man in Urago Kingdom. Oh? My prince! My prince!
Akugo, we have to do something about your younger sister. We cannot watch her becoming the queen of this land and we calling her queen. It can't work. You have to do something.
Akugo, you must not be soft. I know she's your sister. You have to take her out before she becomes the next queen of this village. The throne and the prince is yours.
Yes. So what do I do, eh? I'm confused. Can you come here, me? Eh?
Tell her.
Okay. By so doing, the prince will be yours.
I hope the process will not be difficult.
No. Go. Whatever he asks you to do, do it. Believe in him. Don't be afraid.
I will go there tomorrow.
Yes.
Good. Thank you, my friends.
Akugo, you must be the queen, the next queen of this village. We are behind you.
Yes, we can't watch your younger sister being the queen. Never. It can't.
Amdili. Oh, you think you're smart, eh? Well, listen and listen very carefully. The prince will never make you his wife. Never! Oh, you think you're smart? You want to be the queen like this, right? You won't even smell the palace. I promise you that. Look at your tiny waist. You see this tiny waist of yours? It will never be seated on that throne as the queen. Hey! May the will of my Chi be done. Hey! Hey! Kamdili, you now talk back when I talk, okay? You talk back. Ahugo, with all due respect, I know you're my elder sister, but I cannot take insults from you. The prince came begging for your hand in marriage, but you refused him and went after Obiago. Now that Obiago is dead, you came back and you want the prince for yourself. Never! That is never going to happen. It's going to be over my dead body. Then get ready to join your ancestors. Even when I join my ancestors, my spirit is going to haunt you forever. Eh? Eh? One more move from you and the Ikoro will sound. The 7 villages of Urago will gather for our funeral because none of us is going to live here alive. Kamdili, we shall see. We shall see. We are not going to see anything. The prince is mine.
Daughter of Okonkwo, what brings you to my shrine?
Wise one, I cannot be alive and watch my sister have the prince. The prince came for me first, so I want him back. And I'm ready to do anything to have him back.
Daughter of the soul. When the prince came asking for your hand in marriage, what did you tell the heir apparent to the throne of Uruago?
Wise one, then I was blinded by love, that's why I refused. But right now I'm ready and I want him back. He is mine.
Akugo, we are talking about Prince Ikenna here. We are talking about the next king of the 7 villages of Uruago.
Yes, my prince. And I'm talking about me giving you whatever you want. Be it cowries, paying in kind, whatever you want, just name your price. And I, Akugo, will give it to you.
Do you say paying in kind?
Yes, wise one, paying in kind.
Offspring of Okonkwo, what you desire, I will make come true.
See.
Prince Ikenna will be yours. I will do everything possible to make the prince yours. Tomorrow, being Ori Market Day, meet me at the footpath near the Evo Forest. I will give you something that will make the prince yours.
And I will be there, wise one. Thank you very much. We shall see.
Mberede nyiri dike, mana mberede ka eji ama dike.
Rejected Akugo. Hey! Shame on you. Hey! Hey! You. May the gods forbid.
Where is he? Okay, Miri. No, I greet you.
Akugo, daughter of Okonkwo.
Please, okay, Mary. Ogadero, there is no time. Quickly tell me what I have to do to make the prince mine. Biko.
Offspring of Okonkwo, are you ready to do whatever I tell you to make the prince yours?
I am very ready. I'm ready to do anything. I told you this yesterday. I'm ready to even kill whoever that stands in between my weight and the prince. I will kill the person.
Daughter of Okonkwo, are you sure?
Tell me.
Hey! That's it!
What is happening here? Eh? My prince. Kamdili. I'm very sorry.
You feel like I'm highly disappointed in you. You are not worthy to be called my daughter.
I'm sorry.
Akugo. So you were willing to do anything to make me yours? Even killing? Akugo, may Ajani curse and reject your soul. And when you finally join your ancestors, may they reject your body.
Akugo.
Okay, Mary.
Do you think I'm ready to sell out the prince? May Ajani, Maishi, and Indimiri curse me if I do so. Yesterday, when you left my shrine, I went straight to the prince to tell him everything you said. Greetings, the future king of Uruago Kingdom.
Okay, Mary, eyes of the gods. What brings you to my personal space?
My prince, I swore with the sacred offer in the presence of your sick father. I swore to protect the 7 villages of Uruago and to say nothing but the truth.
Okay, Mary, I believe you even without being told. I'm confused. You're speaking in parable. What troubles your heart?
Akugo, daughter of Okonkwo. Her heart is filled with greed and ambition. She is ready to do anything possible to become the next queen of Uruaga Kingdom. She came visiting in my shrine earlier today. My prince, I swore to say nothing but the truth. I told Akugo to meet me tomorrow at the footpath near the Evo Forest. I request your presence, my prince, so that you can see things for yourself.
Akugo. I'll be there tomorrow.
Thank you, my prince. Tomorrow, I will let the cat out of the bag. May the 7 villages of Uruago be blessed.
Same.
Mbrede jiridike, mana mbrede keji amadike. My prince, I'm royal. I will never sell out the ancient throne of the 7 villages of Uruago.
Okay, Mary. May your chi bless you.
Say.
And as for you, Akugo, you will be locked up for 21 market days.
Chimo!
And after my coronation and my marriage, then the elders will decide your fate.
Biko.
Take her away!
Nam, Kamdili, Biko. Hey! My prince, Biko. Kamdili,
I said take her away!
Biko.
I said move you!
Please beg them for me, Biko.
Ometaleburu?
Biko. My prince.
Ometaleburu? Ometaleburu?
Hey! Abomination. Fear what?
My prince, thank you so much for protecting me.
Come. I would always protect you and all my subjects until I join my ancestors. Thank you so much for being mine. Afrom Genaya.
Me too.
Let's go.